Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. It's already primed and set my eyes. And now I'm going to use the Beauty Bay Berries eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take the first shade and put that on the outer part and inner part of my eyes. And then I'm going to take the second shade and put that on the center part of my eyes. And then the third shade I'm going to put in my crease. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that and it would really help my channel. For eyeliner, I'm using the NARS Climax liquid eyeliner. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. Next, I'm using the ABH setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I have that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the setting powder again to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner Club Hopper and the Muse Matte Lipstick. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this Valentine / Galentine's makeup look. You also can use this for any date night or self-love or anytime you want to wear it. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that and it really helps my channel. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.